Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Changes Around Us. Dear children, in this lesson we are going to learn about Introduction to Changes Around Us. Can all changes always be reversed? Some activities related to changes that can be reversed and the changes cannot be reversed. Let us discuss one by one. Children, the first concept is Introduction to Changes Around Us. Children, if you get some magical power to change things around us, then what are the things could be changed? Children, we do not have magical power, right? But we can still change a few things around us. Many changes are taking place around us on their own. Children, here they given some examples. Observe the below given pictures. In the fields, the crops changes from time to time. Leaves fall from trees. The flowers bloom. What do you mean by bloom? The flowers which are fresh. The flowers wither. Children, what do you mean by wither? Drying up of flowers. Children, any changes happening in your body? Yes. Our nails grow. Our nails can grow. Correct? Our hairs can grow. We grow taller and our weight increases as we grow. Children, from these examples, we can understand that most of the things changes around us. Children, now let us know some activities related to can all changes always be reversed? Let us discuss one by one activities. Activity 1. Take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it's not burst the shape and size of the balloon have changed. Now think about the changes observed in this activity. Was it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size? Yes, it is possible. When we blow out the air from the balloon size and shape is reversed into its original position. Now let us repeat the same activities with different one. Children, activity 2. Take a piece of paper and fold it to make it a toy aeroplane. You can fly this paper plane, right? Once you are try of it, unfold the paper again. Correct? By this activity, we can understand that folding paper is brought into its original shape. Children, activity 3. Take some wheat flour and make a ball. Try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball. In each of these 3 activities, changes can be reversed. Children, now let us discuss some of the activities in which changes cannot be reversed. Activity 4. Take a same balloon, blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Then prick the balloon with a tip of safety pin. Then balloon will be burst, right? Children, activity 5. Draw an aeroplane on a paper and cut along its outline. The changes which are occurred in this activity cannot be reversed. Activity 6. Children, observe the image. Roll out a wheat flour into a ball and bake it on a tawa. Then it cannot be changed into its original shape and size. Children, there are some examples where some changes can be reversed and some cannot be reversed. Raw egg to boiled egg, grain to its flour, butter to flour, milk to paneer. These are all the examples of changes cannot be reversed. Wet cloths to dry cloths, woolen yarn to knitted yarn, cold milk to hot milk. These are all the examples of changes can be reversed. Children, note down the home assignment. Answer the following questions. First question, write one activity for changes always be reversed. Second question, give two examples for changes can be reversed. Third question, give two examples for cannot be reversed. Thank you. Let us join in the next class.